learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
During April and May, tung blossoms are in full bloom, swirling like snowflakes in the spring breeze. You can enjoy this beautiful sight at the Hakka Tung Blossom Festival this year. This national Hakka event combines artistic performances with Hakka handicrafts and, of course, the beauty of tung blossoms. The theme for this year is Tung Flowers and Hakka, Flower Dance and the Spring Breeze.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph 林。
Joseph，
是，
我要問你一個問題。
好，問我。
這問題就是
盡量問。
我們一年呢有幾季？
你是在懷疑我的 IQ 啊？當然是4季啊。There are 4 seasons in a year。
錯，客家呢有多一季哦，有加一個客家桐花季呀。
也對，也對，一年一度的桐花季，哎，剛好就是現在了嘛。
對啊，對啊，對啊。
Interesting.Leo is playing a joke on me. He was asking me how many seasons are there in a year, and I said, of course, it's 4. But he says, no, it's 5 because the Hakka has a different season called the Hakka Tung Flower Blossom, which called 桐花季嘛，对不对？我们有教过嘛？这个桐花季，桐花在这个落地的时候，感觉好像是5月雪，对不对？
对，像下雪，也雪。
Yeah, I'm gonna remind people when you go see the tung flower blossom, it feels like it's snowing in May, and that's why it's also called Snow in May.
而且桐花季哦，到今年已经是迈入第11届了耶。
Oh wow, this is gonna be the 11th official tung flower blossom that they're holding here in Taiwan. 那今年的主题 ，What's the theme?
好，今年的主题就是同樂客家發物春風。
同樂客家
就是同樂客家
哦，同樂哦，有點好像一起歡樂那樣子。
對，
可是這個同是童話的同，對不對？同樂客家，然後呢？
發物春風，就是
發物春風，
花舞春風。
Oh, okay. So this is this year's theme called Tung Flowers in Hakka, Flower Dance and the Spring Breeze. Sounds very poetic and beautiful. 听起來就很漂亮，然後
對啊，好美的感覺。
So let's go ahead and review these phrases. How do you say the Hakka Tung Flower Blossom? 也就是客家桐花季。
客家桐花季。
客家桐花季 and it's also known as Snow in May, 5月雪。
也雪。
And finally, the theme 今年的主題叫
同樂客家發物春風。
同樂客家發物春風。And there you have it, all about Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺自細張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.